Hey guys, and welcome back. It's Jessica, and we are starting a new series on the channel called Teacher Tuesdays. And so today, for our first video, I am going to share my Teacher Care Crate unboxing. I will leave a link for you in the description where you can sign up. It might be a referral link. I don't remember. I apologize. But it was created by a teacher who realized teacher self-care is a big deal. We don't get enough of it. And so she created this really cute little crate. It is on subscription. I did the 3-month subscription. I think it's like $50 maybe for 3 months. I don't remember. I'll leave all that information for you down below. This is my second box. So I did, like I said, I did the 3-month. So this one, so June will be my next one. And then she always shares on her Facebook what's going to be in it if you're interested. But let's get started. And I did kind of open the box a little bit, so I think it's a little bit out of order. Okay, so the first thing you get, and every month it's themed. So this month's theme is mountainy. So first you get a card that tells you about the box, the theme, where everything came from, and everything is usually like a small business, which is really awesome. So the first thing I see in here is this print. I think they call it a print. Yeah, this month's art print designed by Anne Holloway at Compassionate Classroom. And it says, "When you offer yourself freedom, you offer freedom to all of your people," by Glennon Doyle. And it's this really pretty print. Next is this Mountains journal. And it's like a coloring journal with prompts. So you can fill it in. What did you receive from nature today? What good tidings have come of your mountains in life? Reflections. Collect and create. A palette. How can you create more small adventures? Brainstorm about it. I think this is really cute, and it would be fun to do with the kids too, because they could color it while I did the reflection pieces. And then it has a quote at the end. "Walk away quietly in any direction and taste the freedom of the mountaineer." So it's just this really cute little journal. You can see it was designed by Ashley Bible of Building Book Love, and then there's her information on her social media information. Like I said, I will make sure to tag everybody down below that has something in this box. Next is this candle, and it's in this tin. It says it is where did I read? Wildflowers, rain showers, and fresh air. And it's this really pretty lavender color. And it smells really nice. That'd be good in your classroom. Not to necessarily burn it, but just enough to get some scent. That's really cute. Next I see on top are these cookies by Grey Ghost Bakery. Scratch made chocolate chip cookies. I don't know if they're good or not. I'll let y'all know, I guess, when I try them. They look really good. There is a magnet, and this is the theme. Teachers can move mountains, so it's that mountain theme, and it's this magnet. It's really cute. Nice quality. Then there's this bandana. I saw the unboxing on Facebook, and it was she looks so cute with it. I don't know if I could pull this off, but it's really cute. It's super soft and nice and stretchy. And that came from Little Lolly Shop. Then you have this Teach notepad, and it does have a magnet on it, which is super nice, especially in the classroom. You can put it on the side of your desk. It's got the design around it. It's just a little notepad. It says Teach at the top. Super cute. From I don't know. I don't see where it says who that's from. But like I said, I'll make sure I tag everybody down below. Then you have this Walkout Clean Luxury Pre-Moistened Body Cleansing Cloth. These are really great. I don't know about this brand exactly, but these are really great. Like if you go to the gym, you can just towel off real quick. You don't want to take a full shower. I have some similar things in my car in one of my first aid kits, just because you never know when you might need a deodorant wipe or a cleansing wipe. And then some ideas of where you could use it, and it looks like there's one in there. It's pretty thick, honestly. I mean, I don't know if you can tell how thick it is, but it's pretty thick. Seems like it'll be really great quality. And the last thing in the box is a essential oil roller. And I didn't get the last box where an essential oil roller was in there. but I know a lot of people really, really love this. I'm going to move this box out of the way for you guys. Hopefully everything has been focusing. Didn't even think about that. It says it's a blend of peppermint, eucalyptus, pine needle, rosemary, and lemon. Breathe deeply and let nature enhance your well-being. And it's a roller ball, which is really nice. You can just roll it on. That is nice. But yeah, so that's everything that came in the Teacher Care Crate this month. So this will just put it back in the box. We've got the essential roller, a candle, this cute little magnetic notepad, some cookies, a magnet, this really, really pretty art print, a nature calling journal, a body cleansing wipe, and a headband. So, like I said,